Well, good day, everybody. Glad you could join me today. Well, today, again, touch base on military surplus. We're going to talk backpacks a little bit. But there's one pack in particular that's got a jigsaw pattern, and it's from Belgium. We're going to take a look at that one a little closer. I have videos out on my Alice medium. Okay, I got my Alice large. I have my my Molly 2 setup. There's the one there with the Jigsaw Camo, which is my Belgian. And then I got my LK35. Now this one here is a combat pack, and that goes with the US Military CFP 90 liter pack. A bladder. I got a couple of shoulder packs, backpacks. Okay. Then over here for the Molly, I have my patrol pack and a 3-day assault pack. What do I got here again? Okay, this is my okay, that's just a shoulder harness with a half back. Okay, that's what that is. It's like a fanny pack you wear on your back. That's a nice little pack also. But today we're going to look at the jigsaw pattern, original Belgian 110 liter backpack. So if you stay tuned, we'll get it ready. Okay, so we got a lot of packs here. You got day packs, 3-day packs, 3-4-day packs. But when you're talking winter months, spring, fall, summer months, your pack varies, right? My LK35 is an excellent pack. There's no doubt about it. This would be great if I put my bedroll, sleeping bag on the top, and then hang my mattress on the bottom, or my pad on the bottom. You can get away with 3 days in here, no problem. But you got to use your pouches, you know what I mean? Because when I used this last spring and I loaded it up, I could easily get 3 days out of here. Not a problem. But it was tight. In a winter, with your jackets and all your extra gear that you got to bring because of the cold months, not really. Not for me up in northern Canada anyways. That's a 35 liter pack, right? Now, let's say the next smallest one I have is this one here. And again, that's my Alice medium. It too is a small pack, 35 to 40 liters maybe, not much more. But I had to utilize some side pouches that I put. And again, you're pushing 3 days. You know what I mean? Summer months. Winter months, no. You're going to have to put your bedroll and sleeping mat and everything on the bottom. And you've got to put your jacket up top within your straps up here or whatever. But winter months, touch and go. Spring, summer, fall, not a problem. Your Alice large, yeah, that's a big pack. That's what I'm guessing 45 let's say 55 liter. I don't know, I never really checked. But it's an Alice large. You got your 3 large pockets on the bottom. You got 3 smaller pockets on the top. It's a nice bag. Nice bag. Yes, you can get away with a multi-day trip any season you want. Okay, all year round. It's a heavy pouch. Okay, it's got a big metal frame on it. But you know what? If you're counting grams, yeah, no, this is not the pack. But if you're trucking only a few miles, yeah, there's nothing wrong with this here pack. I put, you'll see in my other videos, I updated all my shoulder pads, kidney belts, so this carries very well. A lot of people will complain about how heavy this is, especially when it's loaded, but that's with the old straps, all right? If you update all your shoulder straps and kidney belt, believe me, this carries very well with a lot of weight. But again, I wanted something just a little bit bigger for the winter months, right? Now, I also have with me, this is a complete MOLLE 2 system. It's got statement pouches on the side. Okay. It's got the sleep system on the bottom. It's got, you can have your patrol pack that fastens on top. So that gives you, this here, 4 months of the year, man. You could pack this very well. Very, very well. You can just use your patrol pack for hunting and fishing if you just want it for the day. Carry some supplies. Very nice pack. If you need just a little bit more room, which, you know, your main pack with your statement pouch and one of them, that's a lot of room. But if you want a little bit more, then you can attach to the top your 3-day assault pack in lieu of your patrol pack. Oh, someone ordered a full load of lumber. Anyways, yeah, so this is a great setup, this MOLLE 2 set, okay? And if you're looking for something like this, with these here packs, I got mine pretty well new, all right? New old stock. You're going to pay a little bit of extra money for that. But I'll tell you right now, your woodland camo, very hard to find. You'll get a piece every now and then. So if you want to build a pack like this, be patient. It took me, like I said in my other video, almost 3 years to gather up everything new to put together. But it was well worth the wait. But the U.S. military MOLLE 2 system, thumbs up. Love this pouch. Love this setup. Great backpack. But I'm always looking for something new. And believe you me, when I see this, it was a double take. I just couldn't believe what I was looking at with the Jigsaw Camo pattern. Okay, and when I seen this pack, it's a, what is it? It's 110 liter Jigsaw Camo, and it's from Belgium. Everybody knows about it. Everybody's looked at it, and I just had to have it. Okay, you could buy coats, pants, shirt, hats, all in this camo. The backpack, I just had to have. So let's take a look at that. Now this here is a nice pack. It was marketed as used, and I have no signs whatsoever that this was used. There's nothing. I thought for sure the bottom would be all wore out. I thought the straps would all be taped up, but not at all. This son of a gun is like, look at it. It's mint shape. I just can't get over it. Okay, even if you look at the back and you look at the sternum strap, like, look how clean that is. Here, let's undo that. Like, look how clean it is inside here. It's mint. Mint. This has not been used whatsoever. Not at all. All right. It's got an internal frame. It kind of, well, they call it an external. It goes in the bottom here. Let me take a look at it. Maybe you can see it right here. Okay, it's a bar that goes from the top to the bottom on both sides. An aluminum bar. All right. This is a nice pack, man. 110 liter. Very nice straps on it. Very thick padding. It's got 2 pouches, one on each side. Sustainment pouches. Okay. You got your lid. But let's this is amazing. They unzip, okay, just like the British Bergens. They unzip, so you can take them off. So let's take a look at that. There's one side. There's the other side. There's one pouch. There's another pouch. So there you go. You got 2 pouches, sustainment pouches for the size of the bag. There's something in here we'll take a look at. Where is it? Where did you go? All right. You have a panel here. Okay. It's hard plastic. Okay. You can have zipper. You could have one sustainment pouch on one side, and you could fasten this one on the other side, and you can attach other items to here. Like this is phenomenal. This is great stuff. You know, it just pops off. You push it through, creates a loop. You can put whatever you want in there, and then you can close her back off. So you could have a pouch on one side and this on the other side. I love that idea. But also, these 2 little side pouches could be put together with shoulder straps and become a day pack. So let's put this aside here. All right, how does this go now? Let's zip these 2 together. Why not? So there you go. These two zip together. All right. And right here you got buckles, top and bottom. You got two of them. All right. So let's put this aside. Like, this is secured. It's you know what I mean? It's never ever been used. Never ever been used. So these are your shoulder straps. You can attach them to the outside, down, or the inside to the outside, any configuration you want. So inside, you have two compartments, but you can go right through the two compartments. If you got something long or whatever, you can put it underneath. But that's nice. Both bags, or both side pouches, are the same way. So you could have stuff in the bottom, stuff on top. You can utilize this centerpiece as like a shelf, or if you got something long, you can still put it inside. And considering this as being long, there you go, just to give you an idea. Okay. But yeah, so that is so cool. Nice little day pack. I like it. This is very nice. And both pouches are built exactly the same. Exactly the same. That is cool. So, you could have everything all zipped up, fully loaded, winter gear, summer gear, it doesn't matter. You could drop it at your camp, you could set up camp, and then you want to go for a walk, do some foraging. Well, here you go. There's your little day pack. You can keep your water in there, some food in there, maybe a little cook kit in there or whatever, little fire kit, and take a little walk. That is a great idea. And I like this. Beautiful little panel. Almost like a molly attachments, right? So you could have this on the one side, and you could put, like, fasten a small hatchet, or maybe let's say something like a BK9 with a 9-inch blade knife. You can attach it to here, or whatever you like. All right? So that's great stuff. Now the beast. So, this pack, like I said, I can't believe how mint that is. Beautiful, beautiful pack. So in the top, this is the lid. So on the outside of the lid, you got a zippered compartment, and then you got these two straps right here. They're like an elastic. Okay. For now, I'll put this back in here. That's where that was, for storage. But you could put whatever you want in there. You could put, myself, it's got a nice membrane here, like a waterproof, okay? And it's brand new. It's brand new. You could feel it. Never been used. So, you, excuse me, you could put your rain jacket in there. You could put a windbreaker in there. You could put, whatever you want. But I would keep something like a windbreaker or a rain jacket. Easy access. You just never know when the clouds come in, right? So that's perfect. I really liked how this is set up. And again, nice zips. Okay, YKK. No, it's not YKK zips, but I'll tell you something. It's just as durable. Very, very big zips. So that's the lid part, right? Nice and square. You got straps on the top here. You could put it in any configuration you want. You could put your bedroll here, sleeping bag here, or you could put your down-filled jacket or whatever right here while you're trekking. because when you start your walk in the winter, you know, you're a little cold, but once you get, let's say, 10 minutes in the walk, you can take your outer shell off, roll her up, put it in here, continue trekking so you don't sweat internally. And then once you get to your place of where you want to camp out, you take a break. When your body starts to cool, then you can easily just grab your jacket and put it back on. So you can secure it right in here, secure your bedroll, or pretty well, you know, whatever you want, right? That is nice. But inside here also, inside here is a zip compartment. Okay, inside the lid. So you have one on the outside, now you got one on the inside. So there it is. I like that. In here you can put your compass, you can put your maps, pair of socks, a t-shirt, a sweater, or whatever. I like that. Now, is this removable? Okay, no, it's not. It's actually sewn in. So this lid is actually sewn in. But I like it. Yeah, no, I like it. So just in the lid itself, you got an outside and an inside compartment. Okay? Yeah, the membrane for your water conditioning is nice. Very nice. It's not peeling. It's not separating. This is a 1996. So she's old enough. That's a nice bag. So you have a major size dump bag, 1 pouch, right? And then you got your winter skirt or your skirt. So even though you fill everything right up and you need more room, you could still put more in it and then use your drawstring, close her up and cinch her down. Snow skirt type idea, right? And that's big. You got a compartment in the middle. You can access the top or the bottom. Yeah, that's nice. So let's take a look at the bottom here. This has never been used. Okay. So right here, in this section here, you have your cinch system here that you can overload, and then you got one here, and that's the bottom. So this will be your main big pouch, right? Your dump bucket. That's it. So what you can do is cinch this up, secure it. Now you can separate your top from your bottom, because this is going to be like your bottom right here. It's just as big as the top. So it's very easy just to pull the cord, cinch her up, use your drawstring, put her down, and there. So you can enter the top part from here all the way here. The bottom part underneath that is fair size. That's like, man, that's bigger. That's bigger than the U.S. military sleep system. You could put your sleeping bag in there. Goes up to here. Okay, like you could tie it in. That's a lot of room in there. Lots and lots of room. Very nice. So on the bottom itself, you've got your straps, and right here, so you can adjust your straps, plug her in, put your bedroll under here if you want, your roll mat or whatever, your tarp system or whatever, and secure it and have your sleeping bag inside. And when you secure everything, you can carry a lot in here. It's 110 liters. Very, very nice bag. I like it. Yeah, that's nice. keep that halfway. Yeah, this is new. I'm gonna have to take some wax and do all my zippers in wax. It's just a little dry, but she's in good shape, I'll tell you. That's a big bucket right there. 110 liters. Now, this is 110 liters. Then you've got your two side pouches. Give you a few more liters, right? Grab handle here, and also grab handle in the back. All right. Like, that's a big bag. That's got to be, and that's over 10 inches wide. It's well over 10 inches wide. Right here, again, you got a pouch on both sides. So this is your containment pouch, and then right here, right? So let's take a look at that. Yeah, that goes on real nice. Okay, so the bag's on. Secured here. This is the bottom. This is the top. Okay? You've got two compartments in here. So what you could do is, yeah, I don't have anything here right now. But if you want to put a hatchet in here, right? You've got this pouch right here. So you could put your hatchet right in the middle of your bag, come out the other end, and put it right there. Or a machete, or your trekking poles. You could put two trekking poles here, and then on the other side, put your axe. Or one trekking pole on each side. You know what I mean? That is a very, very nice system. Very nice bag. Now, I like it. There's no doubt about it. So let's zip this up. Very easy to zip up. The person I bought this off of on eBay, I contacted them and I thanked them, you know, because I don't know how many of these that person has. Quite a few. But it says used, may have, you know, fading, may have writing on it, you know, stuff like this. So I was expecting a used bag, you know, for the price. I paid 90 bucks US for this bike. 90 bucks US. Shipping was 27. That's it, 27 US dollars. I couldn't complain. I just couldn't complain. So I contacted the person. I thanked them. Then they contacted me back and gave me a coupon for 30% off of whatever item I wanted to choose out of their store. As long as it wasn't on eBay, I'd have to go directly to their store. But I just couldn't believe it. Couldn't believe 5-star all the way. Very, very nice pack. I like it a lot. But as far as the camo goes, it grew on me. Like, you got your greens, yellows, dark greens, you know, you got your burgundy colors and whatnot, outlined with a little bit of white. That's a great little camouflage, because if you go on YouTube and you see their clothes and they're doing their maneuvers and whatnot, it blends into the woodland like crazy. It's just as good as the U.S. military woodland camo. Okay, like this here's got you got your browns, greens, and beige, right? So this is nice also. But in the fall months, when your leaves are turning and everything's dying off and changing colors or whatever, this is amazing. Amazing breakup. Amazing camo. I like this. I'm really liking this. That is cool. You know, Jigsaw Camo, they call it. You can adjust your pad. Now this type of buckle system, here I'll show this camera. It's different than a lot of other buckles. Okay, but all you do is you put her in, you go pass, and then it just locks in place, just like that. That's it. Very easy. Just pull her out, slide her back, there, push her through, comes up in here, locks in place. You got 2 grab handles. If you want to take your pack, put it on, and pull it up over your shoulders. Okay, drink of tea. It's only 21 Celsius, but I'll tell you, it's 100% humidity, and it's killing me. So let's take a look at this pack on. I have never put this on yet. This will be my first time. Okay, let me just readjust it real quick. There, I'll do the max. All right. Your belt, is that maxed out? Yeah, that one's maxed out. Okay, this one here, well, this one's not maxed out. I can adjust it, but let's take a look at it. Inside grab handle. Outside grab handle. Again, I'll readjust this. But it works great. You know what I mean? I like it. On the strap itself, you have up here and one on the other side. You got 2 sewn in straps. So when you're trekking through the bush or wherever on the trail, and you want to give your back and your hips a little bit of a break, you can put your 2 thumbs in here and just kind of bring it up and kind of hold your pack off your hips a bit. You know, easy. Put your 2 thumbs in there, do your trekking, and it just changes it shifts your load, right? So anyways, this is how it looks. I'm liking this. Very much so. Very much so. Very easy to get the buckles on and off. Anyways, like I said, mint, 110 liters. I believe it's 110 liters without the side pouches, but there's not too much information online about it. People are guessing, and you know what, so am I. So I was told it was just 110 for everything, and then other people say it's 110 complete. I have no idea. I tried to find it on their website, but I have a lot of problems with the translation and whatnot. But anyways, this is it. This is the Belgian Military Backpack, 110 liter jigsaw pattern breakup. Great camo. Love that pack. Oh, and another thing too is your whole system here for your shoulder straps. Right here, you got buckles inside. I'll see if that camera picks it up. These buckles inside adjusts your height for your shoulder straps. So for myself, I would probably take the shoulder straps right now and come up about another inch or two. That lowers the main bag. I'll do it once it's stuffed with supplies. I'll try it on. I'll walk around the yard, see how it fits. Then I'll come here. I'll take this, I'll raise it up so it lowers my bag, lowers the waist belt, and I'll measure my shoulders and my waist belt and see where the proper fit is. Because I notice right now that it may be a little too low. I'll have to raise it so it drops the bag more. But anyways, that is a beautiful, beautiful bag. So, two different type of camo. 110 liter, it's not a small bag. But then again, if you want to do some comparison, I'm going to put a couple pictures up. I'll throw a picture of this one up right now. Okay, now I'll throw a picture up of the CFP 90 liter bag. All right, and that's in woodland camo. Also, this here compares with your USMC Gen 1 and Gen 2, and that's the ILBE pack. All right, I believe that's 80 liters. And between 70-80 liters. It's a big pack. It's a nice pack. But I'm telling you, you're going to pay a lot more than $100 US for a brand new one, mint condition. I can tell you that. Also, if you look at the British Bergen, they got a few out there. They got 120 liter, they got 110 liter, 80 liter, 65 liter. Beautiful, beautiful bags. Lots of molly on it and everything. So I'm going to put that picture here also. Excellent bag. Lots of opportunities to put sustainment pouches on that as well. And same with that USMC Gen 2. That is a nice backpack as well. So anyways, I like this. I'm going to get used to that breakup very quick. I'm really liking it. The more I look at it, the more I like it. Excellent for fall. Excellent color. Your mustard color, but it's more of a, it's more green than a mustard. It's not a bright yellow, so it's a good camo. So anyways, guys, once again, this humidity is killing me, so I'm gonna have to call her it. Thanks for tuning in. Well appreciated. Subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment. I answer all my comments. depending on what's going on, usually within a day or two. Sometimes, like when I did a video on my garden, when the leek moth attacked all my garlic and everything, there was a lot of comments. I didn't get back to them, what, almost 3 weeks, 4 weeks, but there was a reason for that. I had to do a lot of research to answer some of their questions. So once I found out the story behind the leek moth, then I answered everybody's comment. But usually I answer them within a day or two. All right? So, military surplus. I'm telling you, think about it. 90 bucks, under 100 bucks. How much are you going to pay for a brand name? You know, Alpine Pack or whatever. You're going to pay $400 or $500, 300 bucks. No problem. Military surplus is the way to go in my books. But if you got a lot of money and you want to spend a lot of money, that's your decision. Take care, guys. Talk to you later. Bye now.